Hello, what is a QR code? QR code is a two-dimensional barcode type and functions the same as barcodes that we usually see in food products when we go to supermarkets or grocery stores. However, the difference is that QR codes can store various kind of information and is capable of holding much more data. A barcode is only limited to giving you out the numerical value of a product item. How are QR codes generated? A QR code is generated using a QR code generator online.com, for example. If you already have a QR code generator, all you have to do is enter the URL in the box provided to generate your QR code. After that, you can also customize the design of your QR code, like add a logo or image, set the type of colors that you want, choose patterns, etc. It all depends on your aim. QR codes have gained popularity in different sectors, corporate or non-corporate. Moreover, this innovative technology gives people a more unique experience as it is personalized. It has the capacity to bridge the offline and online world. All you only need to do is take your smartphones out and scan the content of the QR code. Try it now. Enjoy it.